Hi viewers, it's Kailash here again. In this video, let's see how to recover and restore your deleted data in a simple way as soon as possible. Now let's get started. So first we will be needing a software called as Recuva for recovering your deleted data. It can recover from variety of storage devices like pen drives, CDs and even floppy disk and your regular computer hard drive and even SSDs too. So now let's go and install the software. Now go to your native browser and search on Recuva and click on this third link right here. Don't click on this link as this says it's an ad, and there will basically be two options, free and the professional version. Free version is perfectly adequate for all our needs, so let's just go and install the free version. And the download has been started, as you can see. So now you have deleted some files in your storage devices like in your computer or in your pen drive. So I am going to demonstrate using my pen drive. So I will just go on and insert my pen drive. I have inserted it, and as you can see I have 4 photo images here. Now I will go on and delete these images. As you can see I have deleted the images. Now in order to recover these images, now go to the setup file which you have downloaded. So RC setup is the setup file. Click on yes and wait for it to load. It may take some time. So the setup has come. Now click on install and it's taking some time to load. As you can see the shortcut has come right here. So now let's run Recuva. Click on here. Just close this page, it's just for saying thank you. So click on next, and this is asking me what sort of files are you trying to recover. So you may have deleted some files like photos or musics or even one or more types of files. So if you have deleted one or more types of files, then click on all files, but only deleted pictures, so I will click on pictures itself. Now click on next, and it's asking me where I have deleted in my computer, whether on my pen drive or in my CD or which drive. It's asking me where I have deleted. If you don't know where you have deleted, click on I am not sure. It will search everywhere on this computer, so it will search each and every nook and corner of your computer. Now I have deleted my files in my pen drive in which I know. So now click on in a specific location, and now you have to select the storage drive. So my pen drive's name is SAN drive. I have named it like that. So here is my pen drive. Now click on here and click on OK. Now as you can see the pen drive is selected. As you can see the drive letter F. Now click on next, and now it's asking me whether I have to enable deep scan or not. Deep scan is a thing which improves your recovery rate. So if you have many files, I recommend you to enable deep scan, but I have deleted only some files for the sake of this video, so I will just do it in the normal way. So I haven't enabled the deep scan. So now click on start, and it will end very soon because I have deleted only small amount of data. If you have deleted large amounts of data, then click on enable deep scan, and it may take several minutes, from 15 to 20 minutes. Now click on start, and as you can see it has not only recovered my 4 images which I have deleted, but it also has recovered my 3 images, but this preview is not available because it's only 1.19 KB as I have downloaded from the internet. So as you can see the 4 images I have deleted from here. So in order to it has identified the deleted images. Now in order to recover that, you have to check on these boxes here. So I am recovering all the 4 images which I have deleted earlier. Now check out these 4 boxes and click on recover, and it's asking me where to store the recovered media. So I will click on desktop, and the process has been completed. So as you can see the 4 images has been recovered. So this is a Bitcoin one, and this is a railway picture, and this is Ethereum cryptocurrency. And if you have liked this video, a sub to the channel will be incredible. And by the way, I don't promote cryptocurrency at all, just for the sake of this video. And that's it for the video, guys. Hope you found your lost data. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you around.